Hi guys. To first start off this video, just to get our brains rolling a little bit, I really wanted to just ask you guys the question of, have you guys ever wondered how people make either, hundreds of dollars or millions of dollars of literally just pressing buttons on a screen when day trading? I want to just talk about why stuff like stocks, forex, and crypto even matter, and really what day trading even is as a whole. So without further ado, I just want to talk about it. And my name is Jayla, and this is my beginner series that I'm going to make to talk about it so you guys can understand what day trading is. No fluff, no extra stuff. This is just the hardcore stuff that you guys need to know as day traders in the different markets you could trade. So, yep, let's get into it. I just really want to get into it of the question of what is even day trading. And honestly, it's just the trading of different financial assets like cryptocurrency, stocks, and making money off of the different price ranges that it jumps from. For example, if you guys are flipping sneakers or sports cars, you guys are buying low and selling high, and you guys make money off of that. So it's just the different things of how you can trade, like I said, different currencies and how you do that. So I hope that makes sense how I'm breaking it down for you guys. So you guys should just understand what this is. So let's even dive a little bit deeper to what Forex is, which is foreign exchange. It's pretty much just trading, like I said, different currencies like Japanese yen, the British pound, USD, euros. You get to trade trillions of dollars all over the world, and like I said, you have limitless opportunities. Like I said, oh my gosh, that bird is going off. But I think they agree with me, like I said. Anyways, but and that just kind of goes in with the benefits of being a day trader. You can do anything all over the world and selling these different currencies, and gives you freedom. It gives you opportunities. And like I said, this has changed my life in a year, less than a year. So if you guys really just put your brain into it and just really try and give it a chance, it might work out for you. And like you said, this is so great. Oh, why don't other people do it? And honestly, I think the reason is because a lot of people in the beginning lose a lot of money. They lose a lot of money in the beginning, not because trading doesn't work. It's because they don't take the right time and the right steps to learn it properly. And so then after a while, people give up, and that's okay. But I just really want to break that down for you guys, and I hope that makes sense of different things about trading. So let's talk about something that gets people a little bit mixed up, and that's the difference between investing and trading. Investing is something that you can do for a very long time. For example, if I'm investing in a Amazon stock and I put that in there for 10 years, that's investing. Day trading is way quicker than that, quicker profit. You can hold your day trades from anywhere from days to weeks. There's a difference between swing traders, and that's not what I'm talking about. That's where they hold their trades for, up to weeks to a couple months in order to make profit. That's different from investing something that takes a while. So I'm talking about short-term buys or sells and day trading to make profit. It focuses on more of the patterns and timing. You have to be on top of it a lot more than just, a swing trade where you put it in and then you set your TPs and you just let it ride. That's not what I'm talking about. So trading is way faster and more intense specifically. So I hope that makes sense in the difference between that. So without further ado, that can't get any better. I hope that makes sense, and I hope that can put it into perspective of when you learn this craft. Yes, it's a journey. Yes, there's risk, but if you learn it properly and you, like I said, you learn the rhythm and you learn your strategy and you learn what works best for you and what you're trading, I just feel like there's nothing that can stop you. So those are a lot of the big pros. If you guys just try it and just hear me out, I feel like you can become a very profitable day trader if you do it the right way. So without further ado, guys, I yapped a lot about trading, a lot about tips and so forth, and what works about how it works, how to get started, what the different things are, what's the different stocks and currency. I really want you guys to please subscribe and drop any questions you guys have in the chat as far as just pretty much anything. Or you guys could just say, hey, this is my favorite stocks or Forex or crypto to trade. Let me know, it might teach me something new. So without further ado, yeah, guys, just please subscribe, please drop any comments and keep going. We're built for profit. So let's do it.